Night Bites, brought to you by your instructional coaches. This Night Bite is the second in a series from the book Building Thinking Classrooms in Mathematics by Peter Liljedahl. Chapter 2's focus is how we form collaborative groups in a thinking classroom. We can all agree that giving students the opportunity to work in collaborative groups is beneficial for learning and social development. How we organize collaborative groups in our classroom varies upon our specific goals. Sometimes we form groups based on educational goals. Groups may be homogeneous or heterogeneous with a focus on skill abilities or work habits, with the ultimate goal being productivity. At other times, our groups are based on priorities that may involve social goals to support diversity or SEL needs. You may even opt for self-selected groups at times. A disconnect can exist between teacher and student goals when making collaborative groups. The teacher's intentions may have an impact on how students view their own role in their groups and may cause them to disengage. In conversations with over 200 students, Peter Liljedahl says it became evident that 80% of students entered their groups feeling that they would be a follower rather than a leader or even a thinker. Through application and interviews with students, Liljedahl emphasizes the importance of creating random groups. To be more specific, he states that in addition to being random, they should be done frequently and created in front of the students. By doing this, students know and trust that they are not being placed based on specific conditions or roles. Each group has full responsibility, and during his research, Liljedahl noticed higher levels of engagement and productivity with these random groups. As just mentioned, the key point in this chapter is to frequently form visibly random groups. For K2 students, groups should be in pairings, and for grades 3 through 5, students should be in groups of 3. A few tips to consider are that as you are randomizing, teachers should include clear instructions as to where students should go, as well as show that you as the teacher know where each student should be. Stay tuned for next week's topic, where students work in a thinking classroom.